What's the meaning of arthritis? Arthritis. Arthritis.
Arthritis. Arthritis. Arthritis is a medical condition that causes pain, stiffness, and inflammation in joints. The most common types of arthritis are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis is characterized by the breakdown of cartilage in joints and can be caused by normal wear and tear, while rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease in which the body's immune system attacks the joints, causing inflammation and eventual damage to the joint tissue. Arthritis can make it difficult to perform everyday tasks and can lead to disability if left untreated. Treatment options may include medication, physical therapy, and surgery.